Page 125, problem number 7, reads, complete the following table. Write the summations in the last row. Okay, so we've got a table of data here. So we've got the years, I believe this is the years that someone smoked cigarettes, and the percent damage in their lungs. So we're going to call those X and Y. Well, to calculate a linear regression equation, we're going to have to complete this entire table here. Okay, it's a little tedious, but this will allow us to do some calculations later on. XY means take each of these X and Y values and multiply them by each other. So for this first row, X times Y means 22 times 20. So that would be 440. There we go. Okay, so for each of these, we're going to take our X times our Y and complete this entire table. So let me calculate these quickly for you. Okay, and there's our XY column. The next column, X squared, means take these X values you have and square them. So the first one's 22, so 22 squared would go in this spot, 484, and then 14 squared. And we'll continue on until the entire X squared column is completed. Okay. Now, the last column, Y squared. It means take these Y values and square each of those. So in the first row, the Y value is 20. If we square that, we get 400. So each of these other Y values, we're going to square those and write what we get in this last column. So I'll take care of that as well. Okay, now the last thing we're asked to do is write the summations in the last row. So in the last row, sometimes we'll see this sigma next to that, showing that this should be the sum of all the numbers above. So if we add all these x's up, we get a value of, let's see here, 172. If we add all these y's up, we get a value of 262. If we add up all these xy's, we get a value of, let's see here, 8079. And if we add all the x squared, we get 5060. And if we add all the y squareds, we get 13,340. And there our table is complete. Now one thing to be careful of. This value here is not the same as x times y in this last row. So in the very last row, don't multiply x and y, don't square x, don't square y. Instead, add the numbers above to get the values in the last row.